Are you living in Oman and thinking of starting a small business in 2025? Whether you're a local resident or an expat, this video is for you. Today, we'll share 7 profitable small business ideas you can start with low to medium investment. Stay till the end to find one that suits your skills and budget.
1. Online grocery delivery. Life is getting busier every day. In Oman, especially in big cities like Muscat, Salalah, and Sohar, many people prefer groceries delivered straight to their homes. An online grocery delivery service is a great business idea with high demand and low overhead. You don't even need a physical shop. You can partner with local grocery stores, create a simple Instagram or WhatsApp-based system, and start taking orders. You can offer same-day delivery, special deals, or subscriptions for weekly grocery needs. This business works well with students or part-timers too. All you need is reliability and fast delivery. 2. Home-based catering or Tiffin service. Are you or someone in your family a good cook? Home-cooked food is loved by many, especially office workers, students, and bachelors who don't have time to cook. Starting a home-based catering or Tiffin service can bring in steady income. You can prepare healthy, fresh, and tasty meals, from traditional Omani dishes to Indian or Pakistani curries. Offer daily, weekly, or monthly packages. Market your service through Facebook community groups and Instagram. If you maintain quality and hygiene, your customer base will grow quickly through referrals. 3. Mobile car wash. Car ownership in Oman is high, and people take great care of their vehicles. But most don't have time to take their car to a wash station regularly. That's where a mobile car wash business comes in. With just basic equipment, eco-friendly cleaning products, and a small van or car, you can start this service. Go directly to customers' homes or offices and clean their vehicles on-site. Offer discounts on weekly or monthly packages to retain loyal clients. If you provide great service, word of mouth and online reviews can quickly grow your business. 4. Digital marketing services. As more businesses in Oman go digital, there's a rising demand for online marketing services. If you have skills in content creation, Facebook or Google Ads, SEO, or website building, you can start a digital marketing agency from home. You don't need an office, just a laptop and internet connection. Target local businesses like cafes, salons, and clothing stores. Create monthly packages for social media management, graphic design, or video content. You can promote your services on LinkedIn, Instagram, or even reach out directly to small business owners via email. 5. Selling handmade or traditional products. Oman is famous for its beautiful traditional products like frankincense, pottery, silver jewelry, and woven fabrics. You can start a business selling these items online. If you're creative, you can make your own, or work with local artisans and sell their goods for a profit. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even WhatsApp are great for marketing. Create simple videos showing the making process or packaging. People love handmade stories. This business has high potential with tourists, gift buyers, and even international markets if you later expand online. 6. Fitness or yoga instructor. Health and wellness are rising trends in Oman. People are looking for personal trainers, fitness plans, and yoga sessions they can join from home or outdoors. If you're passionate about fitness, you can start by offering one-on-one or small group sessions. No gym required. Use parks, homes, or even Zoom. You can also offer diet plans or sell ebooks with workout routines. Market yourself by posting regular fitness content on Instagram or TikTok. It builds trust and helps attract new clients. 7. Freelance Services. Freelancing is one of the easiest businesses to start in 2025. If you have skills in writing, designing, video editing, translation, or website development, you can earn from home. Start by creating a strong portfolio and listing your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can also directly contact businesses in Oman that might need your help. Freelancing is great for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone who wants flexible work hours. The more consistent you are, the more clients and money you'll earn. These 7 business ideas are perfect for beginners in Oman who want to start small and grow steadily in 2025. They require minimal investment and offer high potential if done right.